We're back with part 3 of our DIY backyard renovation and turning it into my Nancy Meyers inspired dream outdoor space. In the last part, we tore down our old rotted red fence and built a brand new one that's ready to be stained. Also, did you notice our weed jungle is gone? It's crazy how much nicer the yard looks just from clearing all that out, let alone having a brand new fence installed. Anyway, back to the fence. I'm currently applying the waterproof stain and sealer by Behr in Picket Fence White. Just the name alone is giving Nancy Meyers. But this product is great because it gives the appearance of paint because it is a solid color, but it's actually a stain, so it's really breathable on wood. As you can see, this fence is pretty big and it took me about 4 hours of on and off painting in between my daughter's nap time. And now you might be asking yourself, Liz, why didn't you use a paint sprayer? And that is a great question, and the answer is I don't know. I don't know why I didn't use a paint sprayer. But that is beside the point because look how good it looks now. I still have to add the second coat, but this is already going to be the perfect backdrop for planting tons of greenery and more fruit trees in this back garden bed. Next up, we're picking back up on our DIY outdoor kitchen project that we started last summer, so be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more DIYs and home renovation.